morning. I'm excited to hold my media briefing here at the new Eureka branch of St. Louis County Library. This full-service library replaces a leased facility with more than double the space and 60% more books and other collections than the previous location. Libraries, like many other institutions, were impacted by the pandemic. Branches were forced to close, but they didn't stop providing services. Library workers passed out masks and PPE and ran drive-through meal programs, operating now still at 10 library branches in St. Louis County. The meal program is in partnership with Operation Food Search, one of 7 agencies that received CARES Act funds to help St. Louis County respond to food insecurity during the pandemic. And our partnership agencies tell us that 75% of people who are seeking help with food from our food pantries are seeking help for the first time ever. All in all, St. Louis County invested $10.5 million of CARES Act funds in our food distribution programs. St. Louis County also provided $5 million to the library system to address the digital divide during the pandemic. We provided $4 million in CARES Act funds to purchase 6,000 Chromebooks and 10,000 hotspots in partnerships with our schools. And we also provided a subscription to all students in St. Louis County to tutor.com, which is a 24-hour access tutoring service online. Another $1 million of CARES Act funds was used to purchase GrandPad tablets, 1,500 GrandPad tablets. And these are designed to meet the needs of those over 75 so they can stay in touch with their loved ones and family members during the pandemic. Libraries have long served as a community staple, a portal of sorts to the outside world. Once a place for books, libraries now serve as meeting place, places for friends to gather, babysitter, and even a tutor. And now they're serving as vaccination sites. Last week, along with the Department of Public Health and our partnerships with Emergency Medical Services, we offered vaccines through our Lewis and Clark branch. And then today, vaccines will be offered here at the new Eureka branch. Growing up, my mom taught English and reading in our school. And she also worked in the library. She signed us up for summer programs in our community library, and she made it clear to us kids that in order to be successful, we needed to read and to read and to read. And last year, I was asked by a reporter which book had the greatest impact on me. And I think I surprised a few folks with my answer. It was Eric Carle's Very Hungry Caterpillar, which I think many parents will recognize. This was the first book that Jenny and I read to our firstborn, and then we read it over and over and over to him and to his younger brothers. And he was probably the real life changer for us and our family. And reading any book 1,000 times will affect you. But with any children's books, there are themes here for adults too. And the Very Hungry Caterpillar is a book about change. Change is inevitable. Change can be beautiful and good, and sometimes difficult and a little bit scary. And St. Louis County, like the rest of the world over the past year, has seen a lot of change. It tested our will, but it also brought out the best in people. And out of our cocoons came friends and family and neighbors and strangers to show their selflessness, their generosity, and their empathy. And now dark moments are giving way to a bright future of hope. We are here because of the sacrifices that everyone made and people coming together to keep each other safe. Now, sadly, the writer of The Very Hungry Caterpillar died last month, but his beloved book and his messages will live on. And I'm sure he would be delighted to see a new library branch opening with volumes of new books for kids and adults here today in Eureka. So thanks for coming here today to cut the ribbon on a new place for kids and adults to learn and to explore. Thank you. Let's go to ribbon cutting.